In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove or uninstall Ashampoo Uninstaller app on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to uninstall Ashampoo Uninstaller the right way, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel on your computer. If you can't see this Control Panel shortcut on your Windows computer, then head to the Start menu here and then click on it, and under search just go ahead and search for Control Panel. You can see Control Panel is here. From Control Panel, go ahead and look for Programs and Features, and this will go ahead and list all the programs that you have on your computer. From the list, go ahead and locate Ashampoo app. You can see it is here, and then to uninstall, go ahead and right click on it, then choose uninstall, and then you'll get this pop-up message asking you to confirm if indeed you want to completely remove Ashampoo app and all its components. So by choosing yes, now this will launch an installation where Ashampoo Uninstaller app will be removed together with the root files. And as you can see, the program has been removed, and I'm told Ashampoo app was successfully removed from your computer. Now go ahead and click on OK, and now you'll have completely removed Ashampoo app on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.